Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. How much time do you spend thinking about what other people are thinking, specifically what you think they're thinking about you? I want you to be honest here. How many times have you changed your behavior, dressed a certain way, bought something, or taken or not taken an opportunity because of what you imagined someone else might think? It could be your parents, your boss, your kids, your partner, a neighbor, that colleague at the office, even strangers. If you're like most of the accountants and high-stress professionals that I work with, the answer is a lot, and it's exhausting. Today I want to show you why this happens, why it never actually works the way you think it will, and how to free yourself from it using the exact tools inside the reinvention process. Let's dive in. One of the most common things that I see in my clients is that they believe that if they just say the right thing, do the right thing, perform the right way, then the other person will like them, respect them, or think of them positively. Maybe you've done this too. You put in late nights at the office just to prove your worth. You volunteer for the project that you don't have capacity for because you don't want to be seen as not a team player. You downplay your exhaustion because you want your partner to think that you're holding it all together. And what actually happens is that you'll never be able to control someone else's opinion of you. You can't control other people's thoughts about you. If you acted the same way with every single person in your life, would they all think the same thing about you? Of course not. One person might see you as brilliant and dependable. Another might see you as uptight. Same person, same actions, different opinions. That proves my point that people's opinions are not facts. They're just their thoughts. And those thoughts come from their experiences, their insecurities, and their perspective, not from you. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.